How to add or remove voice access shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity. Now scroll down and tap on voice access. In here, tap on voice access shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on shortcuts. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose to use one or more shortcuts. So the three shortcuts that are available are tap accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, or press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. Now you can turn on one or two or three of them. And that's it. So if when you want to access your voice access, you can tap on the shortcut and then you can tap on it to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.